In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, secure connection between the two tools so you can streamline tasks and notes without manual copy-paste. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google. This uses your Google account to authenticate quickly and securely. When the Google prompt appears, select the account you use for ClickUp. If you manage multiple accounts, take a moment to confirm you're picking the right one so your integration lands in the correct workspace. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the left sidebar. Open the More option in the lower area of that panel. This expands additional settings and tools you won't see by default. From there, select Apps. This opens ClickUp's app directory, where all available integrations live in one place. In the Apps page, use the search bar and type Notion. You should see the Notion integration appear in the results. Click on Notion to open its details page. Here, you'll find a brief overview of what the integration can do. Go ahead and click Connect to start the authorization flow. This is what links ClickUp to your Notion account in a secure, permission-based way. A Notion window will open next. Click Continue to begin signing in. Enter the email you use for your Notion account, then click Continue again. Make sure this is the email tied to the workspace you want to connect, so your permissions align correctly. If your Notion account uses additional verification, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the standard sign-in. When Notion asks for permissions, click Allow Access. Granting access enables ClickUp to communicate with Notion, which is what powers the integration. You are only authorizing what's needed for the connection, and you can revoke it later from your Notion settings if you ever need to. After access is granted, you'll be routed back to ClickUp. Click Done to finish up. You should now see a status indicating that Notion is connected. That confirmation means your accounts are successfully linked and ready to use. To recap, you signed into ClickUp with Google, opened the apps directory, found Notion, connected it, confirmed your Notion login, allowed access, and finalized the setup in ClickUp. If the Notion app doesn't appear in search, double-check your spelling. And if you don't see the connection right away, refresh the page to update the status. That's it. Your ClickUp and Notion are now integrated, giving you a smoother workflow across tasks and notes without extra steps.